Yo, what's up guys? This is EIZY and I'm back again for another video review. This time around we have the Asra Archer, the number 6 Megami device. And here's the box, the number 6 Asra Archer 101 scale full action plastic model kit. This is an archer and illustrated by the Nidhi 2D. I will put the link in the description on his Twitter account. And also this is by the famous Kotobukiya. This is her in her normal outfit that also comes with it. Before we move on to the articulation, let's check out the accessories and the parts that comes with this model kit. An extra headpiece, an action base, this faceplate, this another faceplate here, chest piece, the armors, the hand armors, leg armors. We have a ribbon here, a set of fists, pointy hand, a set of open hand, a set of grabby hand, another set of pointy hand, a set of open hand, another set of open hand, a set of grabby hand. Lastly, we have a set of fists here, an extra piece of joint in case you break some, another extra joint, an extra piece for the head and the frame arms girl. We have extra joint in case you break some, weapon holder, an extra piece for the hair part like that one, another extra joint for the leg, extra joint for the hair part, an extra body part, and a water slide decal. Alright, next is the articulation for this archer. She has the same articulation like the other Megami device, so her head can move up and down about that far, side to side, and can go about like that. And the hair piece here can move up about that far, down about that far, and there's a rotation like so. And in case you break this this joint here, there's a extra for you, so you don't worry about that. And the ribbon here can move side to side, and the rotation same goes with this gold ring attached at the back here. And the hand can move forward like that, up about that far. There's a swivel here and move about that far, rotation like that and like so. And the upper part can move side by side about that far and that far, move up and down like that. And the lower part here, you can move forward and backward about this one. And this thing here can go up and down. And to extend this legs here, just simply pull that on, and the leg can move up about that far, bend that far, and then there's a swivel here, and this part here can move about that far and move like that and pivot. There you go. The main weapon for the archer here, we have the bow here. It can be moved like that and like so, and there's a rotation here, can move like that, backward like that, because there's a ball joint here, and this thing can pull out. And there's a peg here, you can use either this peg or this peg here. And this part also has some option for you guys, so you can attach something inside this hole here, or the other hole at the back here, and also there's another hole here. And this piece here is also, there's a weapon inside. There you go, this sword. The next weapon is this piece here. There's also another weapon hiding inside. There's a knife here. This is the same like the Asra Ninja one. For the armor piece, we have the legs here, the articulation. You can bend like that, and there's a can pivot, and also can move like that and like that. And this piece here at the front, you can move forward and backward like so. For the hand armor, you can bend like that, and there's a female peg here, and also there's a female peg right here too. This is the same, and this piece here is actually for the leg. We have the female peg here, 1, 2, and 3, and also this piece here can be moved like that. So next is to change this normal outfit of Archer into her armor mode. We need to disassemble all leg. We take off the leg piece and the hands here, and also this chest piece here, and the head. First thing is we have this chest piece here, and simply slide this one inside like that, press it, and put this one properly at the back here, and there we have our man part. Next is the arm. Simply slide this in like that, and same goes with the other one here like that. For the leg, we have this piece here. Just simply slide this one in, and the other one, there we go. And this hand piece here, the black one, this is only for this armor part here. So simply put it in, and same goes with the other one here. Here we go. Next is the back ribbon. This goes inside the back here like that. Next is this shield for the leg. So simply remove this ribbon here. It will reveal another female peg here, and simply slide this in like that, and same goes with the other one here. Just put it like that, and put back the ribbon here, the front like so. And this knife here, just simply slide this inside like that, and same goes with the other one here. Slide it piece here. Bow here, just simply put this one at the back like that. For this head piece here, just simply remove this front hair piece, and also the faceplate, and lastly this hair piece here. There's another piece here, the ribbon, and also the gold ring. Attach this one back, and here comes the other set of headpiece. Slide this inside and put back the faceplate, and also the front hair piece. There you go. back on again, and there we go. We have our Asra archer, and this piece here, you can either swap it if you don't like the space on her leg. You can put it here, or you can put it here or here, it depends. And also the same goes with the weapons. You can put here, 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 any way you like. And this bow here can become the back here as a not a backpack, but attached at the back here. The reason why we need to get both Asra sisters, the archer and also the ninja, because there's another option where you guys can do the samurai mode using all the weapons and the parts that comes with the ninja, and also weapons and all the parts from the archer. So let's start. So first thing is this sword here, the ninja one with the archer one. Simply remove this piece here, and there's a connector here, and also there's a connector inside here. Just simply slide this in like that, and we have a very long sword, which is cool. Should be like that. Yeah, it's a long sword. That's one. You don't need this piece anymore. Next is we have bow, shield, and also this piece here. And this is going, and this is going to be a backpack for the samurai mode. First thing is we get this piece from the ninja. Just simply slide this in like that, and same goes this piece here, like that. Okay, and fold it like that. Next is we have this set of knives here from the ninja and also the archer. It will become like this. There we go. Then this piece here should go inside like that, and the other one like that. Here we go. So for this archer, is simply put this one in the back here, and put this back in. Lastly, we have the shield here. Put this here. Same goes with the other one here. That, and the sword. So basically, this is the samurai mode for the Asra archer. So for this Asra ninja, the same thing. For Asra ninja, we need to pull this one out first, and then attach this here, and also this piece here. And the back unit like that, and her long sword. So this is basically the samurai mode for the Asra Ninja. So basically the back piece here is a bit heavy, so this is where the action base is really needed. And for this long sword here, in case you want to insecure this thing very nicely, there's this piece here for the weapon holder that comes with the Asra Archer. It will become like this. So that is my review for this Asra Archer with her samurai mode, and also the samurai mode for this Asra Ninja. This is the reason why these two duo, the Asra sisters, are the most popular Megami device among the other design. They have their own other release, which is the owl version or the blue version, and also the Sakura version only for this Asra Archer. All thanks to Nidhi2D and Kotobukiya for collaborating and creating something as a model kit like this. If you guys want to support this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the like button if you guys like this video review, and also share this channel too, because I have a lot of other videos coming soon. I have the reviews, I have the work in progress, and also the tutorial to share with all of you. And also, if you guys want to follow my Facebook page, EIZY Customizer, for my daily contents and the latest one other than video, just add the link in the description down below too. I really appreciate all of you subscribe, all of you likes, shares. Thank you very much for that. So that's it for my video review for today, and I see you guys soon. So bye bye.